guys, how you doing? We are at HondaHQ having some work done on the car. We're having timing chain, valve clearances and clutch doing, because my clutch started slipping the other day, so we're going to go get that done. So I was actually talking to one of the lads here, and we had my rocker cover off, and I asked him regarding the timing, if it was out basically and if it needed doing, and he did say there was a bit of stretch in the chain. Obviously nothing out of the ordinary, but yeah, it was stretched slightly, so here we are. So you know what as well, I've been thinking, I had let me start that again. Right, so I've been thinking about content, and obviously I know I've been not uploading for a while. I think my last video I was at Santa Pod. Basically just had a load of stuff come up. I've not been able to go to any car shows or anything like that, so that's the reason I've not been obviously recording any videos. What I am going to start doing is any little bits I do on the car. I've literally just redone my headlights. I've got some custom ones in. What were in before, they were fading, you know what I mean, they weren't looking too great, so I thought to put some new ones in. I should have got that on video, I didn't. Going forward, I will try anything I do, record it, get it uploaded, maybe as like a tutorial to help some people out. I know there's a couple videos online already. Sometimes the videos aren't so clear, you know, people do things and they miss things out. So they'll clip it and it's like, how did you get from one bit to one bit? So yeah, going forward, I'm gonna start doing that as well as going to car shows. So I think the next show that I'm gonna go to, it will be Santa Pod. I'm gonna try to get myself down to Silverstone as well. Yeah, just stay tuned and see what comes next. Look at that. Look how burnt that is. Destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Same with the clutch as well. I'm surprised the car was still driving, you know what I mean? But like I said, it started slipping, so yeah. So yes guys, what a day it's been. We've been down at HondaHQ. We've had some bits done to the car. He took the clutch off. He said it was absolutely peppered basically, so was the flywheel. I only went there for the clutch. It turns out the flywheel needed doing as well, which is, you normally get them done together anyway, don't you? So that was all right. Find out some ball joints need doing as well. So they've done one of them for me for free. They've done me a favor. I think he had one laying around. I've just got to do the other one, which I will actually make a video on that. I've probably got more stuff to do, you know what I mean? It's just remembering. There's like 101 things in it. You know, when you're in this car game, modifying, it just never ends, does it? The list just goes on and on and on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, I'm going to try and get myself down to Santa Pod and go to some other car shows and record some more content. So stay tuned for some uploads. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So yeah, one bit I forgot to add on there. I didn't just go there for the clutch. We had the timing chain done, we have the valve clearances, they was done. I was supposed to be getting the upgraded oil pump, I think it's the FD2 pump, something like that, but didn't end up going for that. Yeah, like I said, timing chain, clutch, valve clearances. We had an oil change as well. They did the gearbox oil change, and that was about it.